Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to make a really quick fleece blanket. Now this is a baby size, it's smaller, but you can make this any size you want. So just measure the area you want to cover and cut your fleece according. You can also make a matching little pillow. Now this is just a small one. I wouldn't put this in a crib with a baby, but you can put it up on a shelf or in a little chair. But you can also make these bigger for your family room, for the boys' room. This is a really durable product and washes well. Okay, let's get started. At all four corners, you want to cut a 1-inch square out. So take a ruler and place your 1-inch lines on the very edge. Then either taking scissors or a rotary cutter, cut that square out. And then you're going to take the two opposite edges of each other, fold it over like this, which is 1 inch. And then you're going to do a satin stitch or a zigzag stitch. And you want to tighten that zigzag stitch up so where it's closer together so it looks more decorative. And you're going right over the edge and catching a little bit on this other side. And go all the way from corner to corner. Take this corner and bring it over to here where the stitches are. So fold it like this. So it looks like that. Then fold it again so that it looks like this. And place a pin there to hold. And continue folding that 1 inch over. And then do your zigzag stitches like you did on this side. So this is what your corners look like when you're done. And then I'm going to turn it over and you can see what the other side looks like when you're done. To make the fleece pillow, you can make it any size you like. So I'm just making a small one here. Mine's about a 12-inch square. You want to cut 2 squares of fleece that are exactly the same size. And then pin all of your edges around and indicate on one area an opening. So I have 1 pin on one side of the opening and 2 pins over here. This is where I'm going to stop. So you want the 2 pins to remind you stop. So back stitch here. I'm stitching a 1/2 inch wide seam. Stitch down to this corner. When you get a 1/2 inch away from this edge, leave your needle down, turn your fabric, and continue stitching. So always leave your needle down at the corner so it's easier to stitch. Then as you come back around to the 2 pins, back stitch. So take your polyfill stuffing and just break it up into smaller pieces and insert it through your opening. And I like to go back in and fill my corners in first and then work my way forward. Now don't overstuff it. You want to be able to still get your opening closed. So once you have it filled enough, then go ahead and finish stitching across here. On this pillow, I used pinking shears to trim the edges down. So they have this little zigzag edge. Let me show you one other thing you can do. At all 4 corners, cut a little square out, but make sure you don't cut through your stitches. And then you can cut little fringe. So just go along about every 1/4 of an inch and do little clips to fringe up the pillow. Wasn't this an easy project? And it is so quick. So if you're interested in other pillows and different blankets and quilts, there will be some links down below your YouTube screen in the description section. So scroll down to where it says show more, click on those words and it will expand open and you'll see all the links appearing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.